Today's video, we're exploring something so wild, so unexpected, yet so brilliant, it's going to blow your mind. Presenting the all-new 2026 Ferrari Motor Home Bus, a vehicle that redefines what it means to combine luxury, technology, and racing spirit into one unforgettable road machine. Yes, you heard that right, Ferrari has entered the motorhome game. But this isn't your average oversized RV. This is a hyper-luxury, performance-oriented, limited edition touring masterpiece that carries the iconic Ferrari badge and an attitude to match. From the outside, the design speaks Ferrari fluently. The aerodynamic profile is razor-sharp, inspired by hypercar curves but stretched into a full-length motor coach silhouette. It features Ferrari's iconic red livery with black carbon fiber detailing, and sharp LED DRLs that give it a predatory look even while parked. The body integrates active aerodynamic fins and underbody diffusers that enhance high-speed stability and efficiency, just like Ferrari's track machines. Underneath this ultra-luxurious shell lies a hybrid V12 powertrain tuned to produce over 950 horsepower. This engine, adapted from Ferrari's racing platforms, is paired with an advanced plug-in electric system that enables silent city cruising and efficient long-distance travel. When performance is needed, the motorhome roars to life with launch control precision, going from 0 to 100 km per hour in just under 6 seconds, a world record in the RV category. It features an adaptive suspension setup with magnetic dampers, torque vectoring all-wheel drive, and rear-wheel steering, giving this beast an almost supercar-like handling experience despite its size. Step inside and you're no longer in a vehicle, you're in a 5-star Italian hotel suite on wheels. The cockpit is pure Ferrari with a digital racing display, Formula One-inspired flat-bottom steering wheel, paddle shifters, and driver-focused controls. But behind the cockpit, everything transforms into luxury and serenity. You're welcomed by a full-length open lounge with electronically adjustable seating, a fold-out smart OLED entertainment wall, and a fully integrated surround audio system by Bang & Olufsen tuned specifically for the acoustics of this motorhome. The interiors are wrapped in high-grade Italian leather, Alcantara, and matte finish carbon fiber. Mood lighting, heated flooring, and electronically controlled smart glass windows allow complete customization of the ambience. The gourmet kitchen section comes with touchscreen induction cooking surfaces, a luxury wine cooler, built-in espresso machine, and high-gloss cabinetry with marble-style countertops. The bathroom rivals luxury hotels, featuring a rainfall shower, sensor-activated taps, ambient temperature controls, and a full vanity unit with Ferrari's signature branding. A hidden stairwell leads to the master suite, where you find a king-size bed with memory foam, built-in climate control, and a panoramic skylight that opens to the S. Luxury and performance, the Ferrari Motor Home Bus represents a cultural shift in how we view mobility. It's not just about going fast anymore, it's about experiencing freedom, style, and technology all in one seamless package. Ferrari isn't just giving customers a new way to travel, they're creating an entirely new lifestyle around movement. The concept appeals not only to the traditional Ferrari enthusiast but also to elite travelers, digital nomads, and global entrepreneurs who want to take their comfort, connectivity, and identity with them wherever they go. This motorhome also includes next-level connectivity features. With 5G integration, satellite-based internet, and a built-in workstation complete with multiple high-refresh displays, content creators and business professionals can stay connected on the road without compromising productivity. Ferrari has even partnered with exclusive resorts and event venues worldwide to offer reserved docking and charging stations for owners of this vehicle, turning every journey into a VIP experience. In essence, the 2026 Ferrari Motor Home Bus isn't just a transport solution, it's a statement of power, privilege, and innovation. Ferrari has managed to create something that's never been seen before and might never be replicated. This is the future of ultra-premium mobility, and it's rolling in style.